Hi, I'm Alex Williams, enterprise writer at TechCrunch here at the SAP Big Data Bus. I'm here with Mimi Spear on the SAP bus, and this is the Big Data Bus. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure, thanks for asking. So SAP has been focused on big data for quite some time now, and we have been in the business of enterprise applications for about 40 years, focused on technology like SAP HANA for about 3 years. So we have solutions that we think are the most innovative solutions for big data, and we want to tell the world. So the bus, if you can take a look at the bus, is a great way to show you how SAP makes big data real. And our mantra is we want to make it real. We want to bring it to life. We want to show you use cases about how we're changing businesses, how we're changing what customers are doing with their business, and how they use data to be more valuable in their business.
But this is a startup event. Why is this relevant to startups?
It's a good question. So SAP HANA is a development platform that any startup could be building their business on. So we are actually here evaluating startups for our startup program. We're also here to assign or to give a winner or a prize to the best big data startup, because we want to understand what are other companies doing around big data, and we want to make it known that SAP has a fantastic platform to build on if you're a startup or if you're a developer.
Great. Now, I know SAP has a big focus on design thinking. Hasso Plattner talks a lot about design thinking.
Yeah.
Can you tell us how that is illustrated on the bus here?
That is a very good question. So everything we do, you talk about big data, but data is about technology. And when it comes down to it, it's a customer use case that's really going to bring big data to life. And if you can focus on an industry and on a particular customer and what their needs are, and then understand what's the data needed to actually bring that customer to life. So for example, fan experience. So if you can focus on what fans want when they're sitting in a stadium, and then try to optimize their experience, provide, personal notifications, offer them a, beer when you can tell it's a dry day and they haven't gotten out of their seat in 2 hours, or whatever might be, that is really optimizing big data. So everything we do and every use case for big data, we apply design thinking. And I'm glad you asked that, because that's really important about this bus. So every one of these use cases uses design thinking to figure out what's exactly needed for that particular use case and for that individual who needs the data in that moment.
Great. Well, Mimi, thank you very much for taking some time to talk with us.
Take a look, walk around, enjoy the Big Data Express.